Today for the Bitcoin price, what in the world is happening to Bitcoin right now? It is literally nighttime here in Thailand, but I am doing this very important emergency update on Bitcoin and Ethereum only for you guys. Bitcoin just dumped from 12,000 US dollars all the way down to 10,600 US dollars at the time of recording. We dumped below the very important level I was mentioning before here, just a few hours ago in my video here. And as you can see here, after dumping down, Bitcoin is breaking down. And the question right now is, of course, is Bitcoin going to go down to the bearish price target I was mentioning multiple times here in the last videos? Or are we going to get a massive bounce here and Bitcoin will revert to the upside for good? I will be talking about all of that, but very, very importantly, I have an extremely important update about Ethereum right now. So make sure you watch this video all the way through because Ethereum is printing something very interesting in the charts. So make sure you sit down, you watch this video all the way through, you scroll down, you smash up the like button to at least 4,000 or 5,000 likes. Thank you so much for that. I am doing this nighttime emergency video from Thailand only for you guys because it is crucial times right now. Also press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. With that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting you on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as I'm always saying, whether the price is going up or whether the price is going down, let's pull out the charts, let's look at the numbers, let's look at the technicals and stay level-headed. Because in the video earlier today we talked about this 11,100 US dollar level being a very important level to hold. This is the liquidity level, and as you can see, Bitcoin just broke below here. And the question right now is, of course, is this another fake out, or is this here, the confirmation of the breakdown, and we will see at least our bearish price targets here towards the downside. As I mentioned before, this one here was surprising for me, but as before, after I was surprised here, I was not surprised by the follow through right now. And remember what I said earlier today, just a few hours ago in this specific video here, I talked about that it is not all too unlikely that we are going down and retesting it over and over again. And the more we are retesting it, the weaker it actually becomes. You know what guys, let me play you this little clip here from earlier today where you see my exact prediction here for Bitcoin on the bearish flip side. It is not all too unlikely that we are retesting that again and again. And the more we are retesting it, the more weaker it becomes. And obviously it is possible that we are breaking this level towards the downside. And this is what I want to be telling you. My bearish price target is still in case, but only and only if we are closing a daily candle below this price level. If we are knocking out this liquidity price level here, which we mentioned with DaVinci J15, in this case I actually think we might be going down for another retest here of the famous 10,500 US dollar support. And as you can see here, Bitcoin went below and retested it once again. This level is becoming weaker and weaker with every single retest, and now we eventually broke it towards the downside. And as I already said before, my bearish price target is still in place, my bearish price target of 10,500, which is the first one, but the real bearish price target is actually between the 10,000 and the 10,400 US dollar price target. Why? Well, to answer you the question why that might be the case, let's zoom out here a little bit on the daily candles. And also, you know what, let me pull out the VPVR, because what you can see actually here at the 10,500 we have not a lot of volume traded, and this one is only coming from the previous low we actually put in. So obviously I do not want to see the Bitcoin price closing below 10.5 because that would put in a macro lower low, and this is obviously not good considering that it would break a little bit the bullish narrative here for Bitcoin trend wise. So if we are closing below this level, this is not all too good. We can also wick below and go into this support box, because why is this support box so important? Well, this is the real support. This is where the volume on the VPVR is coming in, and this is also where you can see in October 2019 actually a rejection, in February 2020, and also in June 2020. And guys, you know the deal. It is trading one-on-one, previous resistance becoming new support. And I do expect if Bitcoin goes down, this to become a very strong support. I mean, I wanna be hoping for that, because if this is not holding as a support, well, the gap believers might be finally satisfied and we might be seeing a closing of the gap at the 9,600 US dollar level. But so far so good. So far I remain still intact with everything I said throughout the last few days and weeks. I actually said if we are breaking this, and also now recently, if we are breaking this, the 10,500, respectively 10.0 to 10.3 thousand, 10.4 thousand US dollar is a very likely price target, as I showed you previously here in my quote from the video here earlier today. But well guys, you know this is Bitcoin, and if we are putting in a high volume supported bounce here, Bitcoin will, after it wrecked here all the bears, also wrecked all the bulls. You know Bitcoin loves to take the money from the vast majority of people, and guys, you know what, I don't want to be on this side. I don't want to be on the losing point of view, and this is why I'm not jumping back and forth with my biases. And you know that I closed my trade on Bybit here at break even. You can see that right here. I opened it a few days ago. I was very profitable at 11,395. I closed it at 11,405 US dollars. So this is break even. And my Phoenix trade, if I were to go over here to Phoenix, it is a little bit laggy right now, but you can see it right there, still at 30,000 US dollars in profit. Even if we go down to 9.6k and close the gap, I would still be profitable. So I'm not jumping back and forth because this is exactly what makes you lose money in the market. Have a strong bias, have a strong fact supported bias, and stick to it unless you are proven wrong. Quick update about Ethereum here. We are here on the daily candles. You see we matched all our 3 price targets well before here at $300, 398 US dollars, and then also our 450 US dollar. All of these price targets were met, but right now it seems like Ethereum needs this massive breather. But look at this. This is very interesting right now. Ethereum so far bounced exactly, but pretty much exactly at our previous price target here at 398 US dollars. So in case we are holding that, this could be a harbinger of a future bounce for Bitcoin, and this could be a harbinger of a trend reversal from the bearish to the good to the bullish flip side. But I want to tell you guys, there is more important support below us. So Ethereum can break this level and still stay positive, still stay bullish here in the immediate short term. And let me show you what is actually the most important level for Ethereum to hold. And once again, let me zoom out here on the daily candles. You know what guys, I want to be going here on the 3-day candles and show you exactly what is the most important level for Ethereum to hold. And what you can see here, this upper green support box here, which was previous resistance, we actually built this resistance way back here in September, June, May 2017 guys. Then we had another one here in 2018. All of these bounces were actually happening at 364 US dollars. Then we had a rejection here in 2019. So we are talking here about a support/resistance level which we built throughout the last 3 years or so. And right now Bitcoin it was actually retesting it here just in August the 19th, and right now we are testing the $400 level. If we are closing below, I want to put that out here. I could be wrong guys, once again I'm telling you, but I want to put that out here. If we are closing below this $400 level, I have a very, very hard time believing that Ethereum closes below 363 US dollars. And as long as this whole DeFi bubble is not bursting completely here over our heads, I don't see Ethereum breaking this level, but let's wait and see what happens here. Also guys, remember, I will put it here in the first line of the pinned comment. We have a free MMCrypto and DaVinci J15 VIP Telegram group. We have nearly 20,000 people in there. If you join this group, DaVinci J15 and also me, we are going in this group on a daily basis and answering your comments whenever we find some time. If you just tag us over there, join this group, join the family, because there I can also push completely real-time updates here about my thoughts when I'm not able to upload a video in the immediate short term. This is already it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back here also in the bearish times. You know what guys, this is actually the exact times where we can be making profits. We can find very strong long position entries. We can find very strong entries in altcoins because they are dumping, they are bloody. And yeah, this is actually the time when the smart money should get active. So big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And with that being said guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always guys, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bible tutorial if you haven't watched it already right there. And as always guys, bye bye.